In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Google Chrome. First, in Google, we need to click these three vertical dots and choose Settings from the list. Now, on the left, we need to choose Languages, and it's right up there, Preferred Languages. If the language we want to add is not on the list, we click Add Languages. Let's add the French, maybe. Click Add. Now, when we got French on the list, we need to click Move to the top and set it as default. Now, you have to refresh the browser, and now, as you can see, everything is in French. So, let's take these settings back and set English as default once again. So we move it to the top, set as default, and we start the browser. And it's English again. That's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.